How to log in DHL Career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log in to DHL Career. Login in DHL Career is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit DHL Career login. Type DHL Career login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on the first link. It will take you automatically to the login page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you will typically see fields to enter your username or email address and your password. Input the username or email address associated with your DHL Career account in the designated field. Then enter your password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on Lost Your Password. Click on Login. After entering your credential, click on Login button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your account. If the credentials you provide are correct, you will be logged into DHL Career account. You should now have access to your account dashboard where you can view job openings, update your profile and perform other relevant action. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. Also hit the subscribe button for more tutorials.